Hi everyone, this is Sayular Dipo. I'll be teaching you how to install screen protector for S-23 Ultra. It's a ceramic screen protector. Okay, I'm gonna start with the cloth, spray some alcohol cleaner, and then clean the phone on top, also around it. This is a customer's phone. Okay. And then use the dry cloth. And after that, you're gonna use a sticker, dust sticker. Make sure no dirt on top. And once it's clean, some dirt. Once it's clean, you're gonna slowly peel the plastic on the ceramic. Make sure you align it correctly. Press the top, or you use this tool. It's because the customer's phone is cracked. You're gonna slowly, I'm gonna lift it up a bit because it's cause bubbles. Okay, slowly go down. Slow down till you go there. This is perfectly fine because it's cracked on the screen. But if your phone is not cracked, it'll be okay as long as there's no bubbles. I'm gonna just make sure no bubbles. Okay, after that you're gonna remove the top plastic slowly, and then you're gonna do this again. Okay, there you go. Spray some alcohol, clean alcohol for the phone. There you go. Now the ceramic screen protector has been installed. Subscribe and follow us for more tips. Thank you.